Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks with the help of Weldment tools. So this is a square tube column with foot support. You will see there is a one square column. You see square tube 200 by 200 into 8 millimeter. Okay, and this is going to support with the help of gussets. See, and there is a bottom plate and top plate. So we are going to start with bottom plate. Here see all dimensions in millimeter. All gussets thickness are 10 millimeter. Gussets fillets are 3 millimeter and square tube 200 by 200. Okay, so we are going to start with this bottom plate 550 by 550. There is a one hole at center 100 millimeter and thickness you will see 30 millimeter. And there is a chamfer you will see. Okay, let's check this chamfer 30 into 45 degree. There are 4 number of chamfers. Then these length of this square tube you will observe here 100 millimeter. Okay, now select top plane sketch. Now activate here center rectangle and start with origin point. So click and drag. Now press hold shift key, select these two lines and make equal. Smart dimension 550. See, extruded boss base. Now make end condition blind. Start condition we will keep same on the plane, but here thickness 30 millimeter. You will see the arrow moves up direction. It's perfect. Chamfer. Chamfer type, angle, distance, tangent, propagation. Now here we have to apply chamfer parameters. Let's say 30 into 45 degree. Now I am going to select one corner, other corner, even hidden corner you can select. Say okay. See, now I am going to select front plane. Okay, let's select sketch 1, edit and add here one hole. Right click, choose select, activate smart dimension and define diameter 100 millimeter. Now here choose exit. See, the hole is already here. Now I am going to activate front plane sketch, activate here line and start with this top edge. Make sure it is going to start from mid line. Okay, smart dimension and the length of this 600. Exit. Right click on any tabs, go to tabs and activate weldment features. Now activate structural member. Okay, now we don't have any specific dimension standard, so I am going to choose NC square tube and this is TS 8 into 8 into 0.3125. This is going to be inch. We have to convert it. So select this one. Okay. Now just click on this and you will see the dimension. So select drop down, right click, edit sketch and select change this one. 200, enter. 200, enter and thickness here make 8. Okay, 16 millimeter. Exit. Now let's hide this. Now let's create top plate. Top plate, let's say 300 by 500. Then corner fillet 30 millimeter and thickness of this plate 20 millimeter. Select off face sketch, activate here center rectangle and start with center. Right click, choose select and out of sketch, smart dimension and define the length. 500 and this is going to be 300. Enter. Extrude, and make here end condition blind, and see the arrow moving upside. We need to add material upside. 20 millimeter thickness. Say OK. Activate here fillet. Here fillet type constants type. Show selection toolbar. Tangent propagation means the fillet going to tangent with all the walls. Symmetric, and here I am going to select 30. If I am going to choose one edge, it will show you this option. See, so I am going to select the first one, and see automatically selected all corners. Say OK. That's it. Now let's add rib. There are, see, 8 ribs and 4 ribs. So let's add bottom rib. Rib length 300, width 150. See, and this rib one dimension 50 millimeter, and this corner 30 millimeter, and thickness we will see here 10 millimeter. Fine. And there are total 8 number of things, and the location, this is important, 670 millimeter from center, and there is an angle for this 68. Let's do this. And similarly we will do for upper one 200 by 100, then angle same 68, and this width 35, and corner fillet 8, and thickness also you will observe 10, and distance 70 millimeter from center line. Okay. So I am going to go activate gusset. Now let me select 1, 2 face selected. Profile I am going to select this one. Now D1 300, D2 150, and D3 is going to be 50, angle 68. Okay, you can change direction from here. Now see, now thickness 5 millimeter, is thickness keep both side equal 10 millimeter, you will see, and this is going to select center one, offset 70. Okay. $70 millimeter. Now here, right click, isolate. Now first I am going to add chamfer. Angle distance 15 into 45, and select this end corner. Say OK. Now activate fillet. Now here constant type fillet, and 30 millimeter radius. Select this face. Clear. Let's choose one by one these 2 edges. Okay. Exit and see. Let's again go to Weldments, gusset. Now select 1, 2. You will see reverse. Now here 200, 100, 35, angle same 68, 10 millimeter, offset reverse 70. See. Okay. Now here I am going to add fillet. Chamfer is not given for this. Same 30 millimeter radius. Say OK. Now let's go to mirror. Now here I am going to select right plane. Now go to bodies, select 1, 2. Say OK. That's it. Now this one we need to make more number of things. So go to move copy. Now here select bodies. So I'm going to select 1, 2. Now copies, 3 number of 3 more copies. Now go to rotation and here select origin point. See, now y direction. See, this vertical is y direction. So here I am going to apply an angle. We need to move this one 90 degree. So just click 90 and click somewhere here. See, 90 degree. There are 3 more numbers. So see, this is going to create. Okay. That's it. Clear. Here choose body parts. Now here this one and select this one. Okay. Again edit appearance, right click, clear. Here choose body and this time I am going to select green and select this upper one. Okay. Body. That's fine. Bodies. For proper identification, we are going to give this color. Okay. Now you will observe, see, there is a chamfer, 8 number of chamfer for 15 into 45. And you will see this 30 corner fillet, 4 number of ribs only. And on top, there is a 6 number of M20 hole throughout. Okay, this is threaded hole. And this position 240, 30, and see there are 6 number of holes. Okay, let's make mirror. Reference plane, front plane. Okay. Bodies to mirror. I am going to select these 2 bodies. Okay. See. Now for reference, I am going to change the color. Bodies. I am going to change something like this. Okay. Now let's go to hole wizard. Now here I want to create a hole, so I'm going to choose here straight tap and standard, let's say GB standard. Tapped bottoming hole M20. Okay, this is what we need. Here I'm going to choose up to next, thread also up to next, and here choose thread with call out position. Now select this face. Press escape key to out, and here I am going to select center rectangle. Okay, not going to choose center, otherwise the things going to placed at for construction, smart dimension 240, 350. Okay. Now I am going to select this midpoint. You will see this yellow. This is the midpoint. Press and hold shift key, select this one and make relation vertical. Okay, this is not going to create relation. So okay, let's add it. That's what we can do. Connect this one with this one. Select both the line equal. Now here activate point and place the hole. Just click and select this midpoint. Say OK. Okay, still we missed. So edit, position, make sure the hole placed properly. Right click. There are 6 number of holes. Say OK. Oh, here we go. That's fine. Now at bottom there is a hole. Okay, where these dimensions. Okay, there are 4 number of holes. 36 into 2 throughout hole, and thread is also throughout, and hole is diameter 34. Okay, location. Okay, this is missing, but we will keep this one 550 millimeter. Okay, then 80 dia one hole, and let's say these hole 9 diameter, and these lines parallel to this. Let's do this. Hole wizard. Now here I am going to choose straight tap hole, standard, let's say GB tapped bottoming hole. Now the hole size is given, let's say 36 into 2 millimeter pitch. Choose next. Select cosmetic thread, thread with call out. Position. Now select this one. Right click, exit. First I am going to select here center rectangle. Corner rectangle, let's say. Now make sure this is for construction purpose. Smart dimension. $50. Okay. Now let's select these two lines, make equal. Okay, let's define one dimension. Now activate this point and place hole at 4 corners. Make sure the hole is placed. Say OK. And here we go. Again, this time I am going to choose here hole. GB, let's say drill size. And here choose 9. Up to next, because I don't want to make throughout hole. Position. Now select this face, right click and select an out. Let me select here circle and draw one circle from this center point. Make sure this is for construction purpose. Activate line. Now select this line and this line chamfer parallel. Smart dimension 80. Now activate point and place hole at these corners. I think we missed this hole. Go inside. Say OK. And here we go, the hole. Circular pattern. Now for reference, I am going to select this curve. Equal spacing 360 degree and 4 number of patterns we need. Now feature, the whole already selected. Now you will see the preview. Say OK. Smart dimension, go to documents, detailing, activate shaded cosmetic thread. And you will see the thread. See? I think we done. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.